Using guide. Place the crisper plate in the container. Put the food on the crisper plate. Put the heating pod on the container. Plug the machine and press the power button. Press the mode button to switch the desired mode. Re-roast mode, to make the surface of the food more golden and more flavorful. Deep roast mode, deep fry your food with high heat for the ultimate crisp. Best for prepackaged frozen foods. Keep warm. Keep food warm for a period of time after using other modes, retaining its flavor. Roast, give food crispiness and crunch at high temperatures. Broil, lock in more juice and the original taste of the food. After choosing the desired mode, you can adjust the time. Long press the buttons to quickly adjust the time. Short press the power button to start working. Directly open the heating pod or press the power button during the working to manually pause the work. After flipping the food, put back the lid. The machine will automatically restore to the original working mode. The screen will display the remaining time. During the working, you can still adjust the time. Note, after adjusting the timing of the mode, it will restore to the default time when the machine is turned on next time. When the countdown ends, the machine beeps 5 times and exits the working mode. Or you can press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to enter the standby mode. Note, the motor will continue to work for about 30 seconds but doesn't heat up. After the food is cooked, you can store it with the lid on or use the keep warm mode to retain its temperature and flavor for a period of time.